Many English learners ask the same question. Is grammar really necessary when speaking English? This is a topic with a lot of debate. Some people say grammar is not that important. Others say it's absolutely essential. So, who's right? Let's explore both sides and find a balanced answer, with real-life examples that will help you decide what's right for you. But first, tell me in the comments, do you think grammar is important in speaking English? Let's hear your opinion. The grammar is not important group. These learners believe the main goal of speaking is communication. If someone understands your message, then small grammar mistakes don't really matter. For example, imagine a traveler walks into a hotel and says, "Me need room." That's not correct grammar. But the meaning is clear. The hotel staff understands. The person gets what they want. Communication equals success, even if grammar wasn't perfect. Now think of how children learn to speak. They don't learn grammar rules first. They listen, they copy, they speak, they make mistakes, but they improve naturally. Some learners also say, worrying too much about grammar makes them afraid to speak. They hesitate, they feel blocked, so they speak less. But when you ignore the fear of mistakes, you speak more freely, you gain confidence, and fluency grows faster. So this group believes it's okay to make grammar mistakes. What matters most is fluency and confidence. Now, the grammar is very important group. This group says grammar helps you speak more clearly, more correctly, and more politely. For example, if someone says, "I ate lunch yesterday," you probably understand them. But the correct sentence is, "I ate lunch yesterday." Small grammar errors can make you sound unprofessional, especially in serious situations like job interviews, business meetings, academic presentations. Also, good grammar helps you express more complex ideas. If I had studied, I would have passed. I would like a cup of coffee. These aren't just sentences, they show manners, they show intelligence, they show you understand the deeper levels of the language. So this group believes grammar gives you control, accuracy, and power when speaking. So who's right? Actually, both sides make good points. Here's the truth. If you are just starting to speak English, grammar should not stop you. Start speaking with what you know. Even with mistakes, communication is possible. But also, as you grow, grammar becomes more and more important, not for perfection, but for clarity, professionalism, and confidence. In casual conversations with friends, small mistakes are okay. People will still understand you. In formal situations like work or school, good grammar helps you sound polished and capable. So don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Start speaking now. And improve your grammar slowly, step by step. Final thought. Grammar is not your enemy. It's your friend. It's a tool to help you speak better. Don't let fear of mistakes stop you. Focus on communication first. Then, build your grammar naturally as you go. You don't have to be perfect to be understood, so speak with confidence. Keep learning. And soon, grammar will feel easy and natural. Now it's your turn. Do you think grammar is important in speaking English? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, visual English learning tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.